The daily code snippet. Before we looked at the picture element, we were discussing the attributes associated with the image element. With HTML5, the source set and sizes attributes have been adapted for use with the image element. So if you are planning to do resolution switching for responsive design, you can just use the image element. The picture element should be reserved for art direction. Similar to how the source set attribute is used with the picture element, with image, it will serve different size images to the browser for it to choose the best fit for the screen on which the website is displayed. The source set will have the URL for the image and the image size noted in widths or pixel densities with a comma separating each option. Just like with the picture element, you don't want to mix widths and pixel densities in the same source set statement. In the example shown, we have a source set attribute with 3 options of increasing pixel density. Each option is presented with the URL first and the size second, followed by a comma, except for the last option. The source attribute has the URL of the fallback image, and the alt and title attributes are included as well. Presented by Designers Learn Code.